Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by launching the refresh rate changer as administrator so it can modify system display settings. You check the monitor's supported rates in the tool. If a desired rate like 120 or 144 is not listed, you will need to add a custom mode. Once done, make sure no full-screen apps or GPU control panels are open to prevent overwrite. You then back up current settings inside the tool so you can revert quickly if something behaves unexpectedly. You either pick an existing preset or create a custom mode by entering resolution and the exact refresh rate you want. Then choose the timing standard. CVT is usually safe because timing affects stability. This is why you might try CVTRB if visible artifacts appear. Once you save the mode, apply it in test mode so the display has a rollback timer. This prevents getting stuck on an unsupported mode. If the screen goes black, wait for the timer to revert automatically. You finalize by confirming the new refresh rate in Windows display settings or your GPU control panel, and then set it as the default. If you notice flicker or instability, reduce the rate slightly or switch timing to an alternate standard. That resolves many compatibility issues. If nothing helps, revert using the backup you created, update GPU drivers, and ensure you use a certified cable like DisplayPort or high-speed HDMI, because poor cables often cause failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.